6 positive COVID-19 cases have been linked back to a sheriff's training conference. 4 of them are newly elected Metro Atlanta sheriffs. Tracy A. McPeer has more.
The Georgia Sheriff's Association runs the 4-week training for new sheriffs every 4 years. It started in mid-November, took a week off for Thanksgiving, and then started back the first week in December. Then this week, word started spreading that some in attendance had tested positive for COVID-19. Those include 5 newly elected sheriffs from Fulton, Cobb, Gwinnett, Henry, and Talbot counties, and 1 staff member. On Wednesday, a joint press release shared the positive test results of Fulton County Sheriff-elect Pat Labatt and Cobb County Sheriff-elect Craig Owens, stating, "We have all taken COVID-19 tests," and Sheriff-elect Labatt and Sheriff-elect Owens received positive test results. Others are awaiting their results in accordance with CDC guidelines. We have returned to quarantine in our individual homes. Now, earlier this week, Gwinnett County Sheriff-elect Kibo Taylor shared his news in a press release stating, "I was present at the Sheriff's School in Pine Mountain, Georgia, along with the sheriff-elects, and strongly believe that I was exposed to the coronavirus while in attendance. I encourage everyone to practice wearing masks, hand washing, and social distancing according to the CDC guidelines." Now, I spoke with the executive director of the Georgia Sheriff's Association, and he says they did follow guidelines like social distancing, providing masks and sanitizer, and checking temperatures 2 times a day. He says they still have 1 week left of the mandatory training, but they will be doing that in January, and now they are considering doing it online.